morning student. This is a class for 9th standard subject social and topic name is civics 6th lesson road safety. Okay, in previous class we have seen what is the meaning of accident and also what is the main causes for road accident. Okay, today we are going to see about different factors to road accident. Okay, what are the different factors which leads to road accident? Okay, first one is drivers over speeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand signs, fatigue and alcohol. Okay, so because of overspeeding of the drivers, which also leads to road accident. And rash driving means kanmuditanama vandi ottradhu, that also lead to road accident. And violation, not following the road rules. And also failure to understand signs. Understand sign means not able to understand the road symbols, signals, that also leads to road accident. And also fatigue means extreme tiredness. Okay, extreme tiredness, not sleep. Okay, that is also leads to road accident. And alcohol. Okay, when the driver drinks with any alcohol means that is also lead to road accident. Next, pedestrian means those are walking on the roads. Okay, so carelessness, illiteracy, next crossing at the wrong places, jaywalkers. Okay, carelessness because of the walkers, those are walking on the road, which also leads to road accident. And illiteracy, those are not educated about, those are not aware of the road rules. Next, crossing at the wrong places. Okay, we are not crossing at the correct places, that also leads to road accident. And jaywalkers means illegally cross the roads, so street roads, that is also lead to road accident. Next one, the vehicles, failure of the brake or steering. Okay, because of failure of any vehicle brakes, that also leads to road accident. And tire burst and insufficient headlights and also overloading. Okay, so tire burst, you know. Okay, when we are riding any bicycle or any two-wheeler, four-wheeler, when the tire burst means that also leads to road accident. And insufficient headlights, headlights also not insufficient means that also leads to road accident. And overload of the any vehicle also leads to road accident. Next one is passengers. Passengers means one who travel in a particular vehicle. Okay, so projecting their body parts outside the vehicle. Okay, keeping their hand and also head outside of the vehicle, that is also leads to road accident. And talking to drivers, we know that. Okay, giving continuous talking, that is also distract the drivers. Okay, that is also leads to road accident. And alighting and boarding vehicles from the wrong side. Okay, that is parking their vehicle and otherwise stopping their vehicle in the wrong place, that is also leads to road accident. Next, traveling on the footboards. Okay, traveling on the footboard means அந்த படியில நின்னு போறதும் எதுக்கு வழி வரும்னா road accident க்கு லீட் பண்ணும் சொல்றாங்க. Next, catching a running bus. Okay, etc. So while running the bus, we catching the bus means that is also lead to road accident. Next one is road conditions. Potholes means குழிகள். ரோடு வந்து ரொம்ப குழியும் பள்ளமாக இருந்தாலும் அதுவும் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், road accident க்கு லீட் பண்ணு சொல்றாங்க. Next, damaged roads, eroded roads, merging roads with the highways. Okay, damaged roads, we know that meaning. Okay, so damaged road and merging means two roads joining in one place means that is also lead to road accident. And also street road and also highway roads, that is also leading in the one point means that is also lead to road accident. Next, illegal speeding breakers. Okay, illegal speed breakers. Okay, continuously speed breaker will be there, that is also lead to road accident. Next one is weather condition, காலநிலை. Okay, these are the other factors. The most important factors means weather condition. Okay, so fog, we know that பனிமூட்டம். Snow நாலும் பனிமூட்டம். Heavy rainfalls, windstorm and hailstorm means ஆலங்கட்டி மழை. These are the weather condition which also leads to road accidents. Okay, next one is direct consequences of accident. Okay, what are all the direct causes? Okay, direct consequence, விளைவுகள் ஆக்சிடென்ட்னால என்னென்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. First one is fatality means death. If it is any accident means the first one what happen, death will be happen. Next one, the injury, otherwise more minor injury, otherwise small injuries will be had. Next, damage to property. Okay, our property will be damaged in the accident. Okay, next one is preventive measures for accident. Okay, what are the safety measures we have to take in that to prevent the accident? Okay, first one is education and awareness about the road safety. We have to educate, okay, all the people and also give awareness about the road safety rules. Next one is strict enforcement of law. Okay, but strict law should be enforced for the road safety purpose. Okay. Next one is engineering. If we take engineering part, mean first one is vehicle design. Properly we have to properly any engineer or any person have to design the vehicle. Next one is road infrastructure. The road infrastructure means the road அமைப்பு ப்ராப்பராக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ரோடு the death chances of road accident decreased to 51% with the proper use of seat belt and helmet. Okay, so the death accident by the death, okay, the death increment, the death numbers will be decreased with the proper use of seat belt and helmet. Okay, if any persons, okay, helmet and also seat belt use பண்றதுனால நம்ம இந்த ரோட்ல நடக்கிற ஆக்சிடென்ட் டெத் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னா 51% டிக்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.